In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set paperback pricing on KDP, a step-by-step tutorial perfect for beginners. Whether you're a new author or a seasoned writer just getting started with Kindle Direct Publishing, understanding how to effectively set the price for your paperback can make a significant difference in your book's performance. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate over to the pricing section within your KDP dashboard. This is where all the action happens when it comes to deciding how your paperback will be priced. Make sure that you've already completed the previous sections of setting up your paperback, such as entering your book details and uploading your manuscript and cover. Once that's done, click on the Pricing tab to proceed. Having a clear aim at this point is crucial. Are you targeting affordability? Or do you wish to position your book as a premium product? With that direction in mind, you're ready for the next part, entering your paperback list price. This is the price that will be displayed on Amazon and other marketplaces. You need to find a sweet spot that balances competitiveness with profitability. Too high, and you might discourage potential buyers. Too low, and you could undervalue your work or struggle to cover costs. Consider using similar books in your genre as a benchmark to guide your pricing decision. After setting the price, take a moment to review the printing costs and resulting royalty. This breakdown is incredibly valuable for understanding how your list price impacts your earnings. Printing costs are subtracted from your list price before royalties are calculated. KDP provides a handy calculator that shows how much you'll earn in different marketplaces once printing costs have been accounted for. This royalty insight can help you tweak your pricing if necessary, ensuring you're satisfied with your profit margins. Once you're comfortable with the number you've chosen and you've seen the practical implications on your earnings, it's time for the final step: save and publish. By saving, you lock in your decisions, and by publishing, you make your book available for purchase. Double-check all the information before hitting that publish button, including ensuring your pricing is consistent across different marketplaces if you're publishing internationally. And there you have it, a straightforward process to set your paperback pricing on KDP. Remember, even after publishing, you have the flexibility to adjust pricing based on sales performance or market changes. Pricing is both an art and a science, and with practice, you'll become more adept at setting prices that work for both you and your readers. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and insights on Kindle Direct Publishing, and happy publishing.